Guys, we're off work, and so now I'll pick you back up. Let me get out this park. Alright guys, like I said, I'm off work, and so now we're on our way to pick up the laundry order that
Continue on Virginia 105 East for 4 miles.
That I accepted this morning. I believe it said it was 6 bags. So we're on our way to go pick up the laundry, and then we're on our way back to the house. We're gonna start on the laundry, hoping that it doesn't have me up all night doing laundry, because my shoulder is still hurting. I've been having a hard time trying to turn my neck, my body to this side, the right side. So that's why one reason I just decided to just give up on doing Spark today. I didn't want to be lifted up on no heavy waters and all that stuff. So I'm just going to do this laundry, go home, start on my laundry, and then bring you guys along with me tomorrow morning when we go drop it off before I have to be back to work tomorrow at 11 o'clock. I have to take my client voting tomorrow. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me when I drop off the laundry before I get to work. So let's go get this laundry. 6 bags has been picked up. Now we're on our way back to the house to start the laundry. And I really thought I had picked up a laundry order of a person that lied last time and said I had I put too many weights for the amount of laundry they had, and they had a lot of laundry. So pretty much they said I lied about what they owed. And so I just went along with it, because support gonna send me an email, which would have made it uncomfortable for both of us, that to solve the issue, we can either let them just go with what they said, or the weight that they said it's supposed to be, or me go back to their house and bring my weight, or use their weight and reweigh it. Who doing that? When they already done lied, you think I'm going to someone's home? So I really thought I had accidentally picked up these people, but it wasn't. It's somebody I've never done before, thank God. So I'm about to go start on that laundry and be working on that this evening, and I will see you. We'll meet back up tomorrow morning when we come drop the laundry off. See you tomorrow. Alright guys, this is all the laundry I just picked up. have stopped. So now it's time to take it out the wash and put them into the dryer. Let's go.
See you crying on your pillow. Never wanted you to feel like I'm not there, but I know that in this life you will have trouble. I just wanna let you know that I'm still writing you new love letters. You see how I take care of the sparrow. I do it all for you to prove I got you. You see how I'm still painting the rainbow, so don't let go of me. Draw it close, all out desperately when you need me the most. I am God, I'm your rock. Don't let go. Keep holding
Good morning. I just finished voting. Now we're on our way to, the sun is out this morning, guys. Forgive me if it's a glare. But we're on our way to drop off the laundry that we picked up on yesterday. So come along with me. And because I don't have to be to work today until 11 o'clock, I'm going to see if I can do a spark. At least a couple of sparks before I have to be to work. So come along with me.
In 1,000 feet, use any...
Laundry has been dropped off, and so now I'm gonna find a spot to park and put a spot to park so I can put my spark on. Oh wow, that rhymed. But anyway, I'll be back when I get a spark delivery. Alright guys, I didn't get a spark. It is very slow, so I want to come back and go ahead and close out the video. Thank you guys for always popping in, supporting my videos, watching my videos. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.